Hello and welcome to Toofless Tesla. This area has a lot of red taxis, so let's count them. We're on taxi number 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and unlucky 13. This taxi is unlucky because, whoa, it hit the door. It's quite funny. This gentleman obviously does not care about protecting car doors. It is, after all, only a taxi. He doesn't own the taxi. For car owners like us, how would you protect your car doors? Please share your comments below. I spotted this Tesla earlier that day. What do you think of its car door protectors? These are really thick and ruin the style of the Model 3. These are my car door protectors on Toofless Tesla. They are a little bit more discreet than the thicker car door protectors. Thanks for watching and stay safe.